Dictation at the rate of 60 words per minute. Passage number 5. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Start. Friends, we are all meeting here on an important cause. The subject before us today is the role of women in nation building. Women in our country have for many years organized themselves and provided useful service in many fields in helping those who are in difficulties or in want. Our women have laid new paths and have greatly helped towards a better knowledge of the problems which are faced not only by women in our country but by the world as a whole. I do not know if someone of you have read the wonderfully moving book Beware of Pity. Pity is certainly one further step of indifference, but pity by itself is not only without meaning but can even be dangerous if it is not followed by deep love which drives on to right action for the improvement in the conditions which cause the problems. Women's organizations care themselves generally with what might be known as welfare activities. These are certainly their very special field, but only a part of it. Every individual and especially our women must take part in the work of the people. Why should we put a limit to their work? During the fight for independence, Gandhiji gave women a leading part and they have played their part successfully. Women are example of peace If they are given an opportunity, they can take their share in nation building. It therefore becomes our responsibility to give all help and opportunities to them so that they are able to take part in this responsibility in their own way. In these days, when we are facing serious problems on all sides, the need for taking up this work by individuals and organizations is of great importance. I now wish your members success in their work. Dear sirs, we thank you for your letter of the 10th instant informing us of the supply of 8 sewing machines against our order. We are happy to inform you that only today the goods have been received in proper condition. We would like to request you to send the balance 5 machines also immediately, as we have to deliver them this week to one of our leading customers. Further, we are glad to send our order for 5 more machines which we require immediately. As regards payment of your bills, we are glad to inform you that we have already asked our accounts department to clear the payment. We are sure you will receive the check shortly. Yours faithfully. Stop.